Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance.
Hello ladies, A1s, Day Ones, and if you're a new one, honey, welcome to the channel. Please subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and make sure your notification bell is on so you don't miss no more videos. Girl, I'm going to show you something. I visited an old friend, girl, Polygel. Polygel, remember her? Polygel, I first started working with Polygel and hard gel in the beginning of my nail journey. I've since moved on to acrylic only because it's faster to lay the girls and slay the girls and get the money. But if you are a Polygel queen, then this video is for you, girl. I decided to try to do this as a charm. I'm going to do the Big Lip Bay charms. I feel like that's my aesthetic. I do big, juicy lips. I do long nails. So she's a big girl, big smile. And if you're here for it, stay tuned, girl. So, girl, if you were paying close attention, you see that I have wrapped a nail form. You can use any nail form. I like clear because at least we know we're getting some curing through and through. But use any nail form you have and wrap it around a swatch stick. Now, I highly recommend a square, even if you're not doing square nails, just so that you get an even proportioned charm. I am doing this to make it a charm. We've seen the lip nails on the sets, on the nails, but I've not seen them alone, standing alone, that as a charm, you know, so you can put it on any set that you want. So that's what I'm going for, a whole separate, just one charm in itself. So I'm showing you here what that is going to look like. Now you have a backing, a sturdy, smooth surface to work on, and we're going to stick everything onto that. That way we can remove that from the form and then apply it as a charm. So, and I'm going to a Polygel. Girl, when have we seen her last? It's been a long time. I was a Polygel girl for many, many years, did tons of videos. I love Polygel. It doesn't smell. It gives you plenty of time to work with, and the shapes and the molding and the possibilities are unlimited. Not to mention, gel is like it's a very light product, so your nails are not going to feel as heavy as an acrylic set. And also the clear Polygel, what? It's unmatched. It is unmatched. There is no clear acrylic on the planet that can even relate, honey. So now you see me, I am applying a thin little piece of Polygel to this backing piece. And I'm going to start to build from here. So now I'm officially starting to do the lips, you know, building them on this thin little sheet of gel. So I'm going to pat in a little bit of clear Polygel. Remember in the previous videos, I showed you that you could maybe shadow in where the mouth would be by adding a little black or a little red or a little pink. It's just to give you a guideline of where the mouth is, how big it is. It also kind of 3D looks like a tongue inside. So that's what I'm doing. And here you see me going in with this hot pink color. Again, the inside of the mouth. This is what this is portraying. You see that little thin piece of Polygel on top of the backing? Yeah, that's going to be the inner mouth. I'm just going to go in with this hot pink and only paint the little piece of Polygel that I put down. So fun, so easy to paint over. And just make sure you are curing after every step. So here's what she should look like once she is cured. You see that I have only painted that little piece of Polygel just to give you a mouth shape. It doesn't have to be perfect. Kind of something blobby, ovally, circular-ish, like an inner mouth. And now the fun part begins, the teeth. I'm having so much fun playing with the teeth, and I imagine I'll do some more different kind of teeth, but I kind of like nice straight teeth. I don't know. But anyway, I'm going in with the McCart 4-in-1, and so far, this is the best product for this part of the lips, the mouth. This works so good doing the teeth. It holds its shape very well. It doesn't get too soft. You know how Polygel can get quite soft, and if resting, it almost melts and smooths itself out. This 4-in-1 kind of holds her shape a little better. That way you have a little longer to play with and shape the teeth and separate them and cut them and mush them and really play with it. So I'm going to use that, and I'm just applying this as the teeth, just right above that that oval painted area kind of on it. It can overlap it a bit. It was just to give me a vicinity of where do I want to place the teeth, and to remind me to leave at least enough room that you can see the pink, because that is the inner mouth. So I'm going to begin molding the teeth. And I use alcohol, of course, to mold and push and play with this product. The best tools for this, I would say, would be your Polygel brush, your cuticle pusher, and a silicone tool. That is how I achieved the shape, and I was able to press and play and move and cut. Definitely with just these 3 tools, that was all that I needed. And pay close attention to flatten the edges as it wraps around the nail. Bring it all the way to the end of that backing. Really pay attention to that part, because this has to be one entire piece. And now you see I'm using my cuticle pusher just to cut into the product and make my teeth. I'm shaping them, shape them however you want. But this is a very helpful tool for getting straight lines, cutting right through that product. And take your time. With this product, you really have a lot of time to play with it, shape it. It will not harden until you put it in the lamp. So customize it. Give her a chipped tooth, a crooked tooth. Up to you, honey. A missing tooth. So here she is. Top and lower teeth are cured. She's looking really nice. She looks like she has a lovely set of veneers. I'm not mad at it. Yeah, so now the extra fun part. Oh my god. Okay, so how I stumbled upon using Polygel is, your girl, this take a lot of product, okay? And especially I love to make big juicy lips. So I ran out of that clear 4-in-1 that I had, and I was like, I wonder if I could do it with Polygel. Like, I remember how Polygel felt to mold and play with, and she keeps her so fun to do. You're gonna love it. It was very easy for me to take the product with the brush, to use the brush and pull the product to the corner. You know how I tell you to pinch the sides, the mouth, the corners of the mouth should be narrower. It's so hard for me to say that. Narrower. And flatter and thinner and pinched. And also remember, this is on one piece of product, so I want to remove it. So I need to make sure I'm dragging those lips up enough to meet the top lips in the corners. But girl, Polygel, that's it. That's all I'm using. Like, what amazing, beautiful. Look at her. She's got some personality. Now we're gonna work on the top lip, and I just feel like it's just so much easier to squeeze it onto the lip as opposed to scooping it out of the pod, because it would get on my tool, and then I gotta get it off the tool and touch it a little more, you know, mold it, roll it, and, you know, get it together in some kind of shape that I can use. But this, it didn't even matter if I just glumped it on, because as soon as I touched it, she was working and molding, and girl. And I am making a point to drag those edges down. I kind of want them to touch on the very, very side of the mouth. That's the look I'm going for. And at this time, I thought, like, I need to make this connect because I'm going to remove the whole thing. So I definitely wanted it to be one piece. But I don't even think you have to, as long as everything is on that backing. And once you start building up from there, like, I don't even think that's necessary. But I wanted to do that for this look. She has an open mouth. I'm gonna meet the corner. Look how I'm shaping that Cupid's bow. Just the littlest touch with this brush. And look, I'm getting under the lip. I'm getting some shape under the lip. Like, look right there, that little Cupid bow dent. Look at her just coming alive. Wow, so fun to do. Absolutely so fun with the Polygel. All right, so we're all cured. I cured everything. Now, this was a little cheaper Polygel, and, you know, I'm using a lot of alcohol, so I assume I fogged her up. But, you know, nothing is as clear as that Macart Polygel, and this was not Macart Polygel. Although that wouldn't even matter, because we're going to paint over her. So that is the next fun part, the best part. What color lipstick is your girl wearing? Now, you know, if you don't know, the last few videos, I've been working on ways to give her, like, more dimension, a little more shadowing. I've even like I've done painted all the lips black and then went in with my color. I've done some spot treatment with shadowing, like black and clear top coat, and kind of just doing a washout kind of shadow fade thing. Up to you. I'm still working and trying different things, different looks. But for this look, I didn't want to go in with just my regular red. I just want to see if I can really give her some more pop. So I'm gonna paint her pink. I painted her pink, and I was like, okay. I was like, all right. But after this, I painted her red. So that way that red would have like this pinkish red color to it. I don't know, girl. I still like the black. I still like playing with black on this with shadowing. I feel like it does make it pop more. You can see indentations a little better. You can see like the folds under the lip and near the teeth, like folds. I like that a lot. Ooh, she's so gorgeous. Look at her. She's got a lot of expression with those lips, honey. I'm wiping her down with alcohol because I'm about to pop her off of this form. I just didn't want to bulk up the edges with my top coat. I want to be able to cleanly paint around like the backing, like a little bit of the backing part. So I'm taking her off the form. Super easy. I was shocked. I was in shock and awe. When was the last time we were in shock and awe, you guys? Oh my God, so cute. So I'm going to take my nail clipper and just clip off any little jaggedy little edge like that. But it was so easy, and that was so thin because I really made sure to keep my product, you know, where I wanted it to be and not really run off. And it was just little tiny clippings that I had to clip off. But she's a whole charm. And now she can fit on any nail, square, stiletto, coffin. And all I have to do probably is just pack in a bunch of gel or acrylic in the back and plop her on. And you know, these are short. This is a little short set. I didn't even make a video with these nails. I just did them for myself. But these are like a short set for me. These are not even 3XLs. So I cannot wait. All right, girl. So I mentioned before that this is probably for my Valentine's Day set, and I wanted to give her some bling, some red bling. I just didn't want to do the same shit that I've been doing, which was like that stupid ass gold tooth. I'm over that gold tooth, girl. I'm so glad the 80s is over with. But I wanted to give her a little something cute, something red. It's gonna make it pop with this set, hopefully, girl. And she got a lot of tongue. Like, I'm loving the like, I think we got good facial expression with her. And I definitely want to give her some mouth jewelry. Girl, why I decided to give her a piercing, a beautiful piercing. I think it's perfect. It just goes with the set. She was giving up a lot of tongue, so I had some room for it. I hope you enjoyed the tutorials. I hope that you are getting the trend and getting it down and having fun and playing with it. Even if you're a polygel girl or an acrylic girl, this is something we could have a lot of fun with. If not, girl, just hit me up and I'll make you one and I'll send it to you. Please let me know what you think of these nails down below. I'm calling her Big Lip Bae because she's mad cute and she's our bae. I love you guys so much. I'm just gonna add top coat to this, finish it off, make it really glossy, and that's about it, girl. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, give it a thumbs up and I will see you in the next video. Bye.